Adverts, music videos, fashion shows, and TV programs. There are lots of opportunities for young people to step into the spotlight. But it's a competitive world with lots of talented kids. If you want to make it big, you need to work really hard. Kyan is 13. She's an actor, a model, and a singer.
I want to do the singing, I want to do the West End. I want to do backing vocalists. But then I also want to be like an artist in myself because I play the guitar as well. So I could have an extra strength that makes me go a bit further.
Kyan and her mum are travelling 200 miles to London to audition for a part in a music video.
It would be really lovely to get the job because it's a music video. It's quite nice to think that I could go in and wow them and hopefully I'm what they're looking for.
The video is for an up-and-coming 13-year-old singer called Tyreek. Kyan is nervous about the audition.
What are you more nervous about, singing or dancing? Singing. Yeah. The top end of my voice is pretty much gone and most of the songs hang, so... It'll be alright, I think it'll be fine.
Auditions are nerve-wracking for the performers and their parents. But it is something they have to get used to.
Can we have Kyan, please?
Kyan really impresses Tyreek, and she gets the job.
You pleased? Yeah.
Even when an audition goes well, you don't always get the job. Tyreek thinks that you have to get used to people saying no.
People are going to say no to you, so you just have to brush it off and then go for the next one.
The music video is being filmed in a school.
I've never thought about being in a music video. It's like everything's coming to me, so it's pretty cool actually.
The filming goes well. Kyan and her mum hope it will help her career.
Even if a few people know the song, it'd be good. I'd take it as I've succeeded.
Success like Kyan's takes a lot of dedication from the whole family. And sometimes you have less time to do normal things, like spend time with friends. But for lots of children that want to be famous, it's worth it, because they want their moment in the spotlight.